What if I told you that you could have the opportunity to start reading and earning money right from your home? Wait, let me add this. Not only could you start earning money right from your home, but you can also start earning money while you are sleeping. Yes, I'm talking about earning passive income simply by reading other people's stories on YouTube. Now, if you're excited about this video just as much as I am, then you definitely want to stick around until the very end. What's up, money makers? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. And just as you heard from the intro, yes, it is going to be that simple to make money. I'm going to show you how you can start reading other people's stories on YouTube and start to get paid from it. I've seen a huge boom of people simply going through Reddit threads or Twitter threads and reading other people's stories, whether they be dark, scary, funny, or emotional. And all they are doing is telling the story and adding a little bit of video behind it. But I will show you how to do this step by step because, of course, I'm going to break it down in a tutorial for you. But literally, that is it. And also, I'll show you how to make these videos without having to ever use your face whatsoever. And you might not even have to use your voice. We can get into all of that in a second. But before we get into it, if you're excited for this video, this is something fun that we do on this channel. Please leave me your favorite emoji in the comment section below. You can leave me a smiley face, a heart, a thumbs up, or whatever your most recent emoji is below. And also, don't forget to like this video. All right, now let's jump into my computer so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. When I type in Reddit on YouTube search, I get a bunch of different videos that are all doing very, very well. Like, for example, I'm not sure who Corteezy is. However, I know that in one day she got almost 400,000 views simply by reading Reddit confessions. The most recent video is by Reddit Aliens, who has an entire channel about reading Reddit stories. Reddit, what's your most disturbing, scary, or creepy true story? This whole video is literally what's called stock video. And I'm going to show you where you can actually find these stock videos in order to have a visual playing in the background. Now, this is a full video, and this video is about 23 minutes long. And because most people are so after to buy the story, they'll end up staying for the entire time on a video, which actually increases your watch time hours, and it increases the money that you're going to make from a video based off of how long someone stays on that video. The creepiest thing that has happened to you, farmers, what's the scariest unexplained thing you have seen, 50 true, terrifying, and disturbing stories in the rain. I've seen people use this method over and over again. However, a lot of people still don't know that this exists as a way to make money on YouTube. Now, first of all, you still have to become monetized before you actually start making money on YouTube, which means that you need 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. But using this method will not be hard because you'll be able to make a lot of videos very fast, and people are very interested in this topic. But you can also, in the meantime, while you're trying to monetize your channel, you can use other means to make money through affiliate marketing and even brand deals as you start to grow your channel. But once your channel is monetized, let me show you how you can start making a lot of money through it. And this is a really super simple and easy way to even get started on YouTube and really start making a lot of money, especially in passive income. And literally all it is stock videos of rain. So there are very few steps that we need to take. Step one, we need to find our stories. And the way that we're going to find our stories is simply by going on to reddit.com if we're doing Reddit stories, or we can go into Twitter threads. Simply going to type in reddit.com, and this is where most of your work is going to come from. And trust me, it's not a lot of work. What you're going to have to do is research different topics that you'll be able to read, and you want to find some good comments or some good threads that you can just go ahead and read out on video. I would type in words such as the most, or the scariest, or the craziest, the most embarrassing, in order to find the best story. What is this strangest or scariest Reddit posts you have seen over the years? I would sit here and read through these comments until I found about 3 really good stories that I could use. Record yourself reading those experiences. For this, you can simply use your smartphone to record, or you can choose to go onto Amazon and find an affordable microphone. So I have plenty of microphones myself because I make videos all day, but you can certainly find a microphone for as cheap as $10 to $15. And I'm going to show you how to actually make it entertaining without having to show your face. Which brings us to step number 2. Step number 2 is now we have our story and we need to have some sort of visual that is going to match our story. So this is how we're going to do it. We can use animated video or we can use what is called stock videos. Shutterstock, which allows you to pay for already made videos. Let's say we were talking about a really scary story. I would type in scary. Once we type in scary into Shutterstock, and we're going to click on the video section because we want videos, we can find a bunch of different videos that would really make our story come to life. And all we're doing is talking over these videos as they're playing in the background. And you might want to have different transitions. So let's say if we were talking about a story about babysitting a little girl, maybe we would use this video here. Shutterstock is going to give you the same actor or different variations of that actor or something similar so that you can keep your video consistent. But you can also try doing animated short films. Let me show you. This is a great example of a YouTube channel that does the animated short films. So they tell stories and then they have the animations to back up the stories, which is very interesting. And people tend to really, really like this type of content. Now, how do you actually find animated video? Well, this is something that you'll actually have to go and find a freelancer off of Fiverr.com or Upwork, and you can search through and have them create animated short films for you. So you'll need to do your recording first and then send it to them so that they can match the story that you have recorded previously. The third step that we must take in order to start making passive income simply by reading on YouTube is to make sure that our audio quality and our video quality are at least decent. So this will mean you want to edit your video accordingly. But if you're doing stock videos, this is going to be extremely easy to do. All you'll have to do is download a few stock videos and then put the recording that you've done of your voice on top of it. Here's an example. This is what I would do. If you have an iPhone, you can use your voice memo app that every iPhone has. I'm sure Android has something similar. If not, do not worry. There are plenty of other ways to do recordings. You can simply open up your camera phone and start recording. But I would create a file for my Reddit stories, and then all we have to do is press record. So let's tell a scary story. The scariest thing I've ever had happen while camping. Now that's just a little example, and I'm going to show you how you can refine the audio using this simple app. You can also use different editing applications. Like I use Splice, and I'll show you that in a minute, to record and refine your audio. So I live in Eastern Oregon and my mom lives in Western Oregon. I went to visit her for the summer and she's very outdoorsy, so we decided to take a 1-hour drive from her city to the coast. The next app that we're going to be using to get this done is called Splice. I'm going to upload my stock video, which is here, create, and here you see we have a scary stock video. You can even edit this out here, shorten that. Let's duplicate it. I've seen a lot of the times people wouldn't even add new video. They just keep duplicating it. So now I've duplicated it and we have a run on. I'm going to save it to files, save. And this is how you would do it on an iPhone. I'm sure other phones are very similar. Now I'm going to click on music, imported music, go to my files, click on my story, and it says that it has now been uploaded, added, and here we go.
Let's tell a scary story. The scariest thing I've ever had happened while camping. So I live in Eastern Oregon and my mom lives in Western Oregon. I went to visit her for the summer and she's very outdoorsy, so we decided to take a 1-hour drive from her city to the coast. Now that's just a little example, and I'm going to show you how you can refine the audio.
Let's take it one step further and add some captions. So we're going to click on text, captions, and we're going to wait until our captions load, and then I'll show you what that would look like.
So I live in Eastern Oregon and my mom lives in Western Oregon. I went to visit her for the summer and she's very outdoorsy, so we decided to take a 1-hour drive from her city to the coast.
Now that you've done that, all that is left to do is upload the video. And let me give you a tip about uploading videos on YouTube. The most important thing that you should focus on is your thumbnail and your title. So you want to look up similar videos to the stories that you are telling in order to get a good title that is going to capture the listener's attention. So let's think about it like a book. The thumbnail is going to be the book cover. So you already know that when you are going to pick up a book, the first thing that you do is judge the book by its cover. Let's be honest, okay? So you want to make sure that you have a very capturing thumbnail in order to get someone to be intrigued into the title of the video. And then you want to make sure that you have a good title in order to make someone want to then click on your video. And once you have all of this put together, boom, you're going to have an amazing storytelling video that was easy to create, simple to do, and going to make you some passive income once your channel becomes monetized. In the meantime, while you are not monetized and you are growing an audience, you can make money through affiliate links, you can make money through doing digital downloads, and you can make money through brand deals, because a lot of brands will be interested in working with you as you start to build your audience. And I make a bunch of videos about different forms of passive income that you can do, so make sure that you check those out. But if you're interested in other ways where you can start making money in your sleep, then you definitely want to check out my training program on 9 passive income ideas that can build you a passive income empire. People are loving this course, and I am confident that you will as well. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check the link in the description. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video.